And what we discovered is that broken DNA, broken chromosomes, is a major threat to the survival of a cell, and that disrupts the epigenome. So every time you break a chromosome, and this happens in our bodies, at least 20 trillion times every day, that is causing a lot of epigenetic change over time, and it's cumulative. And we know that this is, well, we believe that this is true in part because we can cause it. We can accelerate the aging clock in human cells. We've even made a mouse that we can cause this. We can accelerate epigenetic age by breaking the chromosome and forcing it to heal. We do that in mice for about 3 weeks. And then 10 months later, they're actually old. They are old. They have diseases of aging. They are gray. They're wrinkled. They're frail. And their biological clock, which we measure as DNA methylation changes in the epigenome, that's now 50% older than the siblings that were born from the same mother.
If you want to learn more about the science of epigenetics and nutritional longevity, check out my newsletter at Aronica.com and in the link below this video so you won't miss my upcoming free webinars, courses, and live Q&A.